uPetro ukhipha inkemba uthi angeke ulunge esithule bamthatha uJesu, angeke ulunge esithule bafuna ukuyombethela uJesu, angeke ulunge esithule bafuna ukumbulala uJesu, angeke ulunge esithule wakhipha yakhe inkemba wasusa indlebe wayibeka phansi wathi ngizokulwela umsindisi. Instead uthi umsindisi ashayile uPetro izandla, uthi umsindisi yima kancane bengamemeza kanye ingelosi zehle zingivikele manje. Uzama ukuthini uJesu? Uzama ukuthi as I am standing with you here, I am seeing 72,000 angels watching what is happening. Oh, help me, Father. Help me to cut this thing. I am seeing them now. So nawe kanje Petro, wena inkemba yakho ngiyayazi, inkemba yakho ngiyibonile futhi ngazile ukuthi ungusonkanise uyoyikhipha ufuna ukususa umuntu or ubulala umuntu. That is why same time uPetro asusa indlebe uJesu uyibutha phansi uyibuyisela khona athi Petro osebenzisa inkemba uyofa ngenkemba. Petro ngiyekele le ndaba isiye inkemba endaba isiyenkemba lena endaba asizilweni la kudingeka mina ukuze kuzalwe ibandla kudingeka eCalvary. Ngishilo izolo but when there was a meeting in heaven kuthiwa ubani esingamthumela kwaba ne-silence. It's called divine silence. This is the second supernatural or divine silence. Now, the first one was before sent umuntu. Now, ngesikhathi uJesu amele abethelwe, there was second silence in heaven. Throughout the ministry and the life of Jesus Christ, heaven was peace. Izulu lalpeace. Ekuzalweni kwaJesu izulu lalpeace. Kubalekisa uMaria izulu lipeace. Kodwa maseka ubethelwa, there was a divine decree and a command. Kwathiwa lena aningeni. Oh, good Lord help me. Lena aningeni. La kumele afe lo ukuze kuzalwe ibandla. Lona kumele afe ukuze kuzalwe yini ibandla. So there was silence in heaven, but the silence was not a silence of defeat. The silence was not a silence of absence. Hayi kuthi bebekade bangekho. Ngabe uJesu uthi ngingababiza manje ngoba uyababona. They were present, but there was what we call divine restraint. They were told not to do anything. They were close, but they were not given power or the word to do anything. Uthini mfundisi? Uyenzeke empilweni yakho. Ingeloze kwelusayo ihambe nawe, ibe duzane nawe. Wehlelwa inhlobo yezinkinga, kodwa kuthiwa ungalwi, yima naye, kodwa ungalwi, hamba naye, kodwa ungalwi, ngoba kunento emele ivele ngaye. Preach the cross. If Lohopantania Kuma will preach this thing so that you understand. So bahamba naye uJesu uziyazi ukuthi 72,000 is ready. Let's what now isithombe sika Elijah little Bible bathi bahlaselwe savuka isebenze ebusena saphumela ngaphandle sathola indlu inesitha ngapha nangapha bagibela inkalishi right bagibela amahashi right babaningi ababahlasele bahlasele umprofeta oyedwa noyiwa. No, lesithombe leso esisibona kuKings sisibona manje senzeka bakawubethela uJesu. uPetro ubona amasotsha uthi hayi no angilwe uthi uJesu kuna 72,000 so uthi uJesu bekathi baningi abangakithi kunalaba basesweni baningi abangakithi kunalaba basesweni. So angazi ngikhuluma nobani la awusiwedwa hamba nawe lethi khona into ayihlangene afuna ibonakala kunento ayibeke kuwe efuna ukuthi ibonakale. So akusimthandazo ke manje othi Father help me so that I come out of here. Umthandazo othi Baba, what is in me that I'm supposed to give away? so that you take me there. Ine lapha ngakini uJesu watholakala uthi igazi ekumele ligqobhoze. Nawe ke sibuze yini baba oyibeka kimi engiyibambayo enkosela ngiyidedele yini le ngiyibambe iyadingeka la ngikhona ngiyibambelana ngifundisa ukuyeka ngifundisa ukuyihlanyela ngifundisa ukuyikhipha ngifundisa ukuyihambisa ngifundisa ukwamukela ukuthi angeke ngiphile futhi mayihamba unokwenzeka a part of me will die mayihamba lento but it's okay makuthiwa a part of you dies but you know that you will live. Okunye ukuthi bakuhamba okunye ukuthi bakufa kanti kunento enhle ezophila. Some parts of fire will die for the flame of fire to burn in you. Uze kubonakala lo mlilo langaphakathi kwakho ufuna namakhaza ongiyibo le moshalo ongiyo le satisfaction ngoba abanye benana hunger for God, nine hunger for eyes, nine hunger for the stage, nine hunger for manje stage futhi angisho pulpit manje stage angisho le platform yakho yaka WhatsApp labo kwazi khona ukuthi ngiveza noma engayini bese bangisekhonda bonke laba bathi yes girl you got it, laba bathi yes boy you got it, inabantu ekuthiwa ma saints wakho la bazalwa nobelusile ohamba nabo ka Facebook ohamba nabo ka WhatsApp ohamba nabo ka TikTok abanye because of that platform. Because of the platform like that, you validate yourself. This is when bakhulu kunabantu eniphila nabo in real life. Ni validate presence yenu. Ngepresence yomuntu obheka ivideo yakho for 2 seconds. Uzizwa umkhulu ke manje. Unomfundisi wakho, unomama wakho, unothisha wakho. Uzizwa umkhulu for abantu ababheka ivideo yakho abayibuka for 2 seconds. Izulu lathula ngoba latshela ukuthi alithuthi ungathi ngabuza ukuthi bangakho ababiziwe obazi abangathula izulu manje bathulisa sinemthandazo ethi uthuleleni Thixo kodwa uyathula ubaba athulele ukuthi ngifuna uhambe nawe ukuze ukhiphe lokhu la ngaphakathi hayi ukuthi ngithulile ngilindile ngilinde ukuthi ukhiphe lento la ngaphakathi. So when you are calling it silence, ubaba uyibiza ukuthi disobedience. Yena uthi ngubona obey mina. Mama obey ngakhuluma. Uzongi I'm already speaking but I'm on the other side. Ngiyakhuluma kodwa angikho emehlweni akho. Wala ngikhuluma khona, ngikhuluma la ungangiboni khona. I want you somewhere different. I need you somewhere. You need me here. I need you there. When I'm funa phambi kwabantu, mina ngifuna phambi kwesihlalo. So pause. When ngifuna laba zokushayela khona izandla, mina ngifuna la ngizogcwalisa khona. In the name of